In a 24/7 industry, every hour of downtime counts. That's why having a reliable partner is critical to your operation's success. Our strategically located global network brings world-class services that deliver unmatched value. We support your entire process: crushing, screening, grinding, pumping, and beyond. From precision repairs to performance-restoring rebuilds, we deliver excellence based on your equipment's needs. High-tech machining and proprietary resurfacing for guaranteed OEM quality. Don't wait for a repair. Our exchange programs provide immediate access to ready-to-go components. With local inventory of genuine OEM parts, we slash lead times and reduce your shipping costs. We offer specialized training at our local academies to support your team's professional development and technical expertise. Expert support across the entire equipment lifecycle, from maintenance and repairs to tailored service agreement. We support your sustainability and risk management goals by extending the operational life of your equipment. FLS service centers, minimizing downtime, maximizing productivity. Visit fls.com to find your local center.